Ugh. Oh my goodness. Today's the big day. Everybody sat up for the spooky season. And today's the big day. I'm moving in to where I said I was gonna move in a couple weeks ago when the Cheetah was still here. But yeah, spooky season, everybody carved the trees and stuff. I don't know why. We got a pumpkin and a skull. I don't want to talk about the skull, but today, moving in. I can also go in here too. Yeah, this could be like a hideout of mine. So, now since the cheetah's gone, I don't think there's anything I have to worry about. Like, let's just look at this. This is like crazy. You can see everything. I should go explore the snow area, because I don't think there's any creatures in there. Well, yeah, there is this one big monkey. Oh, there's the monkey. Well, it's a gorilla, but I want to call him monkey, because he kinda is. Let's go. So cold in this place, though. Whew. It is pretty cold. Oh, it feels nice by this fire here. What was that? I heard something. I don't see anything. Huh. I don't see anything. Let me see if I can. I heard something though. There's something in that house over there. Let me go check that out. It's still freezing. What is that? Is that what I think it is? Where is he? There he is. Yep, it is. Now I don't know if he's good or bad. I don't know if he's good or bad, but it is a polar bear. Wait a minute. That's the polar bear who attacked me like a couple of weeks ago, like when the cheetah was still around. So I know he's bad. Crap. Where is he? There he is. I'm not scared anymore since all that cheetah did, so I'm gonna lay one hit on him. Let's just see. He's basically practically invisible. See him still though. I don't think it can see me. I'm gonna stay in the water. Oh, this water's freezing. That might be a bad wolf. Wait, where did he go? Oh, he's at him? Yeah. Oh crap! Run, 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 run! Can you climb up here? Oh no. I don't think he can. Oh crap. He might actually be kind of weak. He didn't do any damage to me yet. He might actually be weak. Oh crap. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, I gotta go. I'm gonna hide it here. I need to eat. It's so good. Alright, we good. We good. Well, I'm good. Let's see. Where did he go? Come on, where is he? There he is. Come on. That's too high to jump. Come here. Ugh. You're not gonna win. Yeah. Crap. Ooh. I tripped. There he is. I gotta get out of here. It's becoming daytime. Get back to my house. I need to go to sleep. That was really tiring. Okay. Yeah. Hold up. Don't tell me this would suck if it happened again. Come on. Come on. Oh my god. Whatever. Come on. Everybody's gone. Everybody's gone. How is everybody gone? I thought only the cheetah can do that. Like, oh my Whatever, let me see if the polar bear's gone. The monkey's not gone, I'll tell you that. No, polar bear's not gone. Let me try to lower the polar bear. Oh yeah. Okay. Here, come here. Let me get a torch. Let me try to lure him. Come on. Ugh. Yes, come on. Got him. It's already nighttime. Let me get some rest again. That took out a lot of energy. Sleeping gives me energy too. It heals me faster. Alright. Here we go. Oh, okay. That was a good sleep. Yeah, I feel much better. Wait, who is that? Wait, who are you? And where is everybody?
Oh, you don't have to worry about that. Anyways, I heard you defeated every villain here, so I'm going to give you one last challenge.
What challenge? Wait, where did he go? Where did he go? Where did he go? Oh, this is way too weird. How did he just like disappear like that? What the heck? What was that? Was that him? I couldn't see him. But I felt something. Is that? That's a cheetah. How did he get back? That one, well, whatever that guy was, he must have. Oh my God, what is happening? He must have like spawned, like all of these, like not all of these, but the cheetah in. Like he might have been a wizard or something. Oh my God. I know. I just have to get away from the cheetah. I don't even know how he did that. Yep, he's up there too. I don't think he can get up here. Where's he going? Crap, it fell. Uh-oh. No. Get up there. Ugh. That was a really close one. Oh my God, he got up. Somehow he got up. Oh my God. There's the cheetah. Hey, what are you doing here? Like, why are you evil? Why do you have to do this to everybody? Wait, how did you transform?
I told you, you don't have to worry about it.
Wait, where are you going? Hey, get back here. You're not running away this time. Come here. Oh, crap. Ugh. 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 Get out of here. Ouch. I think I got away. I for real think. I think I got away. Yeah, I did. Okay.